Ayurveda is a traditional system of medicine from India. It is over 5,000 years old. The word Ayurveda means the science of life. Ayurveda teaches us how to live in balance with nature. This balance helps us to live long, healthy lives. Ayurveda sees the body as a whole system. It's not just about treating symptoms. Ayurveda seeks to find the root cause of illness. Then it uses natural methods to restore harmony. Ayurveda uses many tools for healing. These tools include herbs, diet, lifestyle changes, and cleansing practices. Ayurveda is a holistic system. It cares for the mind, body, and spirit. In Ayurveda, good health starts in the gut. Ayurveda calls the digestive system Agni. Agni means fire. Just like fire transforms wood into ash, Agni transforms food into nutrients. This process gives us energy and builds our tissues. A strong Agni is essential for good health. When Agni is weak, food is not digested properly. This can lead to many health problems. These problems include bloating, gas, constipation, low energy, and skin issues. Ayurveda teaches that a healthy gut is also important for a strong immune system. Most of our immune system is located in the gut. When our gut is healthy, our immune system is strong. We are less likely to get sick. Ayurveda has a deep understanding of the digestive system. It uses key concepts to explain how digestion works and how to keep it healthy. One key concept is Agni, our digestive fire. Agni is responsible for transforming food into energy and nutrients. Another important concept is the doshas. The doshas are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. They represent different energies in the body. Each dosha influences digestion in its own way. For example, Pitta is associated with fire and heat. It governs metabolism and digestion. If Pitta is imbalanced, it can lead to heartburn or indigestion. Understanding your dominant dosha can help you make the best food and lifestyle choices for your gut. Ayurveda also emphasizes the importance of ojas. Ojas is the vital energy that sustains us. It is the essence of our immunity and vitality. A healthy gut with strong Agni helps to create ojas. Ayurveda offers many practical tips for maintaining a healthy gut. One key principle is to eat according to your dosha. This means choosing foods that balance your dominant dosha. For example, if you have a lot of Pitta energy, you would want to avoid spicy, fried, or acidic foods. Another important tip is to eat mindfully. This means paying attention to your food and eating without distractions. Chewing your food well is also important. This helps with the digestive process. Ayurveda recommends eating your main meal at lunchtime. This is when Agni is strongest. It also suggests avoiding cold drinks and food. Cold things can dampen Agni. Simple lifestyle changes like drinking warm water in the morning can also aid digestion. These ancient practices are still relevant today. They offer a natural and holistic approach to gut health. By incorporating these simple tips into your life, you can support your digestion and improve your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy life.